Hey everyone, I'm Ruchi Gopal and today we are going to do absolutely natural hair spa at home. And this is how my hairs are looking after this natural hair spa. There's no blow dry, there's no serum, there's no chemical used. It is just the natural hair spa and the results are wonderful and incredible. We actually don't need to spend anything to get this part done because all the ingredients are present right at your home. So without any further ado, let's get started. This is how my hairs were looking before this spa. For ingredients, we are going to need lemon, aloe vera gel, banana and curd. Grind well all the ingredients in order to make a thin paste. Apply the complete paste on the scalp and slowly move across the length. Now give a very good massage to your scalp for at least 15 to 20 minutes for best results. Now tie up your hair with rubber band and let the spa sit on your hair for at least 1 hour or more. Dip a towel in almost boiling hot water, wrap it around your hairs and repeat the process for at least 4 to 5 times in order to get very good steam on your hairs. Now after 5-10 minutes of steaming, rinse off your hairs with cold water. Next morning, wash your hairs with any of your preferred shampoo and your hair spa is absolutely done. So as you can see, I have got colored hairs and we all know that colored hairs are comparatively more drier than natural hairs. But still, this natural hair spa has given me incredible results in just one head wash. You will be getting salon-like finish in just 2 to 3 sessions of this hair spa, and in addition, the natural hairs will be having far better texture in just first session of this hair spa. Do give it a try. I'll be back with another wonderful video for you guys. Till then, see you.